Are you tired of feeling drained after socializing with others? Do you often find yourself struggling to keep up with conversations or feeling anxious in social situations? Well, you are not alone. In this video, we're going to share 12 common symptoms that you have a low social battery. Number 1. You struggle with conversation. It's hard for you to join in group conversations because you don't think you have anything important to say. Sometimes, you feel drained and uninterested during these talks, which makes it tough to pay attention to what's being discussed. This feeling can happen even in situations that you normally enjoy, and it can leave you feeling tired, bored, annoyed, or upset when you're engaging to other people. Number 2. You feel anxious. You feel very nervous when you're in social situations, especially when you're meeting new people or going to big events. But for you, those feelings start to become overwhelming and too much to handle. Number 3. You feel physically unwell. After spending a lot of time socializing with friends or family, you may start to feel physical effects such as headaches, tiredness, tense muscles, dizziness, or stomach discomfort. Your body is trying to tell you that you need to take a break. Number 4. You have difficulty sleeping or experiencing insomnia after socializing with others. You found yourself tossing and turning all night after spending time with others. This is because social exhaustion can make it hard for you to relax and fall asleep at night. Number 5. You feel mentally and physically drained. After socializing for a long time, you feel completely exhausted. This feeling hits you after spending time with others and can last even after you've returned home. You don't have the energy to do anything else because of this exhaustion. Number 6. You can't think clearly. Your mental processes seems to be moving at a slow pace. Simple details become a challenge to remember, and you are unable to focus on anything. Number 7. You speak slower with extra long pauses. You start speaking at a slower pace and take longer pauses, which can make your speech sound awkward. Number 8. You experience depression. You may realize that you're having negative thoughts. You might feel like you're stuck in a loop of negativity and self-doubt. Number 9. You've run out of small talk. You find it difficult to engage in polite chit-chat. Making small talk is a struggle because you don't have the energy to do it anymore. Number 10. You want to be by yourself. You feel like you want to get away from the noise and confusion of social gatherings. You prefer being alone in a quiet and comforting place, away from everything. You want to relax without any distractions. Number 11. You experience sensory sensitivity, which means that loud noises and voices, bright lights, or flickering candles bother you more than they would bother other people. It's like your senses are extra sensitive, and you find it difficult to block out the stimulation around you. Number 12. You find yourself lost in your own imagination. You lose yourself in your own thoughts, rather than being aware of your surroundings. You are unable to maintain awareness of your surroundings. Even if someone is speaking, you can hardly make out what they are saying. You might even daydream about important issues and in-depth thought. If any of this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many people struggle with these feelings and sensations after socializing. But there are ways to recharge your battery, alhamdulillah. Because for you, as an introvert, it's very important to prioritize your own well-being and listen to your body when it's telling you it needs a break. But how do you recharge your social battery? Click on the screen right here, and I will walk you through the 10 ways you need to do.